Hey guys, it's Apollo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the premium Bandai 1-to-1 scale high grade Mudrock Gundam. Alright, here is the box itself. Now I didn't really expect to get this kit in the first place, because I'm not really sure, not really aware about this guy's existence until people were playing Gundam Battle or something like that. It's like a PS4, PS3 game that it's I think free to play, and then people were like talking about it, and that's how I got to know this mobile suit. Well, I mean, I just want to try and get another RX-78 in my collection, because RX-78 in my collection, because why the hell not? So let's go unboxing. So I'm not open the box. I got okay. But by the way, thank you James as always for the for this kit. I appreciate it. So he's my go-to guy to get my Gunpla from. I make my premium and Gunpla from. So I'll put a link to his Instagram and Facebook page. Go check him out. He's a cool guy. Say hi, say hey. I haven't seen him there. All right. So let's go unboxing. So, well, it's I mean, it's a standard like high grade style box. I guess in P-Bandai form. So nothing special here. But it's something different I didn't notice is that it tells the backstory of the Mudrock Gundam. I mean, there's another kind of certain Mudrock. I mean, this is basically the synopsis of the game, which is. I've never played the game before, but I found myself, well, I do want to play this game, to be honest. So, it is a PS2 game, but you can actually get this mobile suit in the latest free-to-play game on the PS4. Yeah, I don't have a PS4, but I've seen people playing it online, and yeah. And the site, nothing that doesn't mention the price. Again, I'm not too sure how much it is in yen. I think I paid about $30 for this, so it's not too bad. Not too bad. All right, so the box is inside. Oops. All right. First back. Okay, now before I go on, this is a completely new kit in P-Bandai form. So I'm assuming Bandai is actually moving towards the side when they release a P-Bandai kit instead of being like just part variations. It's now completely new kits, but except they're not that well known, like they're kind of obscure. So it's just like the Hazel 2 I bought for the Woundward version. Yeah, I bought that. It's similar to that. But yeah, the A-Plate is multicolor runner. You've got the blue, you've got the yellow, you've got black, and you've got white, and then you get the sticker sheet. You get the normal stick, like the foil stickers, and you get the marking stickers. I might put these on, not too sure. We'll see how it goes. Bean sabers, the usual, and the C2 plate with all the gray parts, and then you've got the B1 plate with all the white parts, the shield, the legs. You got more leg parts. You got mostly the leg really, and some other parts of most of the leg and the incomplete shoulders. And you do get other parts in the incomplete version if you want. What else? Polycaps. You uses the one on the wrist. Okay, that's interesting. B2 plate is just again more white parts, and the C1 plate. Yeah, C1 plate. You've got the manipulators. You've got the joints. You've got the cannons. Your stuff. The D plate, which is the yellow parts, that's mainly vents on the legs, the feet, which are not hollow, I'll give it that, it's not hollow, so that's pretty neat. Vents, and you get 2 of these. And the last value, you get the E-plate, which is the navy blue box. You get the complete shoulders, you've got that's very similar to the Gundam LX in a way. It's pretty thin as well, so I'm kind of worried about breaking this thing, and you get 2 of these as well. Alright, that's about it for the parts. Now we got the manual. The manual is pretty small. Didn't know that. And unfortunately doesn't have like a little secret description about Mudrock Gundam. It's like just like the second V. The second V is quite, even though it's monochrome, yes, but at least they give a little splash page, like give a little splash page of of the details about the second V itself. It's kind of wish that they did the same here with the Mudrock, but nope, it's not the case. Yeah, the assembly is pretty much very simple, really. I mean, it's a very, very simple kit. I mean, I can show like both the complete versions, but you know, it is a nice little kit overall. I heard people say it's a quite good kit, so I will get this building, not immediately, but I will get it building when the holidays come. So yeah, that's an unboxing of the high-grade Mudrock Gundam. I am psyched to get this guy building, and I will get you guys back with the review. Well, not immediately, but I will get you guys back once my holidays start. So yeah, that's for you guys. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.